Strong support for a political option often signals its potential to gain power. In the Republic of Bulgaria, there is a real possibility for the nation to become a kingdom once again. This is due to widespread dissatisfaction with the efficiency of the current republic, coupled with a significant bloc of monarchy supporters. Join me on a journey through Bulgarian history, present and future. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, as it helps the algorithm to reach more people. Monarchism in Bulgaria has a rich and complex history, reflecting the nation's turbulent journey through time. From the establishment of the First Bulgarian Empire in 681 AD to the present-day debate over its potential restoration, Bulgaria's monarchy has seen periods of both grandeur and decline. The roots of Bulgarian monarchism trace back to the First Bulgarian Empire, established by Asparuh, a leader of the Bulgarian tribes. The empire reached its zenith under Tsar Simeon I, whose reign is often regarded as Bulgaria's golden age, marked by cultural and military achievements. The Second Bulgarian Empire emerged following the successful revolt against Byzantine rule led by the brothers Asen and Peter in 1185. This period was notable for reign of Tsar Ivan Asen II, who expanded the empire and fostered a flourishing cultural and economic environment. Following the fall of the Second Bulgarian Empire, Bulgaria was incorporated into the Ottoman Empire. During this period, Bulgarian nobility was largely eradicated, and the country underwent significant demographic and cultural changes. Following the Russo-Turkish War of 1877 to 1878, Bulgaria regained autonomy as the Principality of Bulgaria, later becoming the Kingdom in 1908. The modern Bulgarian monarchy was established under Prince Alexander of Battenberg and later consolidated under Ferdinand I and his son Boris III of Saxe-Coburg-Gotha dynasty. Simeon II, the last Tsar of Kingdom of Bulgaria, reigned from 1943 until 1946. He was just 6 years old when his father, Boris III of Bulgaria, died, and royal power was exercised on his behalf by a regency led by Simeon's uncle Kirill, Prince of Preslav, General Nikola Mikhov, and Prime Minister Bogdan Filov. In 1946, the monarchy was abolished by an undemocratic sham referendum, and Simeon II was forced into exile. This referendum violated the constitution, which held that any change in the form of the state should only be implemented by a Grand National Assembly, convened by the Tsar. A referendum was held on 15 September 1946 in the presence of the Soviet Army, political oppression, and imprisoning non-communists, resulting in 95.6% approval for the Republic and the abolition of the monarchy. The royal family was exiled from Bulgaria on 16th of September of 1946. They first went to Alexandria in Egypt, where Queen Giovanna's father, Victor Emmanuel III, the former king of Italy, lived in exile. There, in 1951, Simeon studied at Victoria College along with Crown Prince Leka of Albania. In July of 1951, General Francisco Franco's dictatorship in Spain granted asylum to the family. In 1990, just months after the fall of communism, Simeon was issued a new Bulgarian passport. However, this was the Republic of Bulgaria that was trying to improve its image in the world. Simeon, wanting to help citizens, returned to his home country in 1996, formed the political party National Movement for Stability and Progress, and was elected Prime Minister of the Republic of Bulgaria from July 2001 until August 2005. In the next elections, he took part in a coalition government with the Bulgarian Socialist Party. In 2009, after his party failed to win any seats in parliament, he left politics. He managed to successfully transition Bulgaria from Soviet satellite state into an EU member state. The failure of Prince Leka's attempt to secure the throne of Albania through a referendum in 1997 has had a significant impact on the prospects of monarchism in Eastern Europe. Since then, no other pretender in the region has sought to come to power by this route, as a no vote could signal the end of their campaign. In Bulgaria, however, the electoral success of a party that supported the cause of former King Simeon's return to power provided a promising background for an immediate referendum on restoring the monarchy, which could have stood a fair chance of success. Despite this, the opportunity was missed, and indeed, Simeon agreed to become prime minister in 2001, a post he held for 4 years. One of the sources for this video was a survey that we conducted in 2024. We asked citizens of Bulgaria about their opinions on monarchy, the political situation, and more. The results show that 30.7% of the respondents view monarchy in a positive way, while 55.8% does not. The remaining 13.5% had no opinion or preferred not to answer. Simultaneously, only 12% of Bulgarians are satisfied with the efficiency of the Republican government system. This widespread dissatisfaction with the current Republican government highlights a significant opportunity for monarchists. With a strategic approach, they can present the monarchy as a viable alternative, emphasizing stability, tradition, and national unity. And to strategically capitalize on this opportunity, it is crucial to do 2 things: learn how to debate anti-monarchists and learn how to run an effective campaign. Both of these skills can be learned on this channel. In the great chess game of political debate, we monarchists must be players, not pawns. So watch the video 5 Rules to Win Monarchy versus Republic Debate, and to equip yourself and your monarchist organization with tools to build communities, forge connections, and persuade potential allies, check out Political Campaigning Crash Course. If you like this video, consider watching one of these 2. Special thanks to our YouTube members and Patreon supporters. If you're able, consider joining them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.